We are back at Elite Innovations and Performance with Armando back here. Today's agenda, we are going to be swapping out my cab lights with ones from Fast Headlights. Only difference is my cab lights are amber, which that's how they come from the factory. So let me show you guys real quick. Boom. So yeah, that is amber. Originally, I was gonna keep everything factory, but I went with Boostautoparts switchback lens, and then I got switchback lens for this. So now that I have like the Boostautoparts mirror lens, it kind of looks awkward having white, and amber. Although it kind of goes along together in a way because it's amber, but eventually I'm gonna do all white. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna swap out the cab lights. And while we're doing it, we're gonna show you exactly how it's done. Mondo is gonna show us exactly how it's done because he's done it multiple times. So I'm here to learn and document the whole process. So what's the first step?
We're gonna start off by removing the pillars, and then we'll move on up to the visors and this lighting console up here.
All right, so how do you remove the pillars?
Take these two off, pop them open. I believe there's a 10 millimeter, two 10 millimeter screws.
Okay.
Pull it out, and the same for the other side.
All right, let's get started.
Pry tool that's not gonna bend the plastic right here. You don't wanna have an indentation.
Right.
So try to pop it off as carefully as you can without leaving an indentation on your trim. It's hard. It's gonna be hard on there. So kind of just tug on it and pull.
Yeah, from some of the videos I watched, they were like, yeah, you're probably gonna break some clips, or the clips are gonna slide out. Just like that. Alright.
So back behind the sun visor, there's this little tab that you can barely see, but you pop that open. There's 3 torque screws. I believe there are 10.
Alright.
And then same for this side. Tab off, but I just let it hang. Actually a 15. And then there's going to be a wire back behind it that feeds into the light.
Oh, okay. That wire.
Yeah. And then
and what do you do with that? Just let it dangle, or
you can disconnect it from up here.
now the center part of it?
Yep. So we got to pop these 2 off. This one. This one behind it is some torque screws. So once we get these off, this whole middle part will come down, and there's some screws behind it, and then this whole piece will come out.
All right. T10 and a T15 and 10 mil. T15. Pretty sure it's T15 in there. So you're going to remove 2 T15s away in there.
A skinny screwdriver, T15, is if you get one that adds a bit, it won't go into the hole. You gotta actually get a skinnier one.
Sometimes skinny is better.
Sometimes.
Should pry.
The clips are on the middle.
Okay. Oh, just like that. Look at that. Easy peasy. Should I disconnect them? Discard them.
Slides off right here.
Oh, it slides off?
Slides off.
Alright, cool. Alright. And it drops just enough to where you can get to the cab lights?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
So there's gonna be 2 or 3 of them right here. 3. And then 1 on each side.
Alright.
And try not to bend it down too far, because you don't want to get a crease in your headliner.
That's true. Putting everything back together. Putting back together is basically the opposite of how we took it out, so pretty straightforward. Alright, we haven't washed this truck in about 2 weeks, so we're about to use Duracoating's ceramic wash soap to wash this truck. Duracoating ceramic wash, I actually use it about once a month, and this, you can use it on a vehicle that doesn't have ceramic coating, but if your truck does have ceramic coating, it's like a maintenance wash. It'll enhance the hydrophobicness of your ceramic, and it works really good.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. But you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you.
Put out again?
Load out, dirty it up some, and
Heck yeah.
then clean it.
Yeah, Duracoating sent this dissolved spotless marine wash soap, so it gets rid of dissolved salt and minerals to greatly reduce and eliminate water spots and harmful minerals.
It's definitely good for like saltwater boats for sure.
Do you think this could work on just like regular truck? Because it's like waterless, like spotless soap, theoretically. So that would be a good question to ask Duracoating, I guess.
It would be
I'll reach out to him and ask. We're gonna be doing like a full, I guess, just some basic wash.
basic
Maintenance.
maintenance wash on a boat.
Yeah, that'd be new.
Yeah.
Since we took it out, I'll put some clips right there. Back at Early Innovations with Alex. Alex is in charge today.
Yep.
Finishing up this F-150 for Keith from State Farm.
He's sober.
He's sober. Yeah, his license plate says he is sober. What happened was with the rough country kit, for some reason only 3 shocks came, and then earlier this week this truck was done. So now all Alex has to do is mount that shock and this truck is done. But let me show you guys the Vertex shocks and the coilovers from rough country. I'm actually impressed.
Thank you.
There you go. We got rock lights. 8-piece JW Motorsports coil rock lights. Not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty impressed with how much that lights up. We only did 2 in each wheel well, and the reason for that is to really just showcase these beautiful coilovers. You know, Keith, he's not really, you know, he's not like us where he wants his truck just lit up with rock lights, but he wanted just enough to accent his new coilovers, which I think it was a really nice touch. And like I said, I'm truly impressed with these rough country Vertex shocks. I've had a set which is right here. These are the Vertex shocks that I had. We are keeping all the rough country parts here because this is going to go on my dad's truck. I think he's really going to love Vertex shocks because the way you can adjust the sensitivity and the stiffness, it's truly a game changer for how much it costs.
Why does that look so much bigger?
Because it is so much bigger.
36.
Dude, that looks good.
Actually,
I think you should do it.
I like the bubble look, bro.
I think you should do the bubble look. Dude, I like that bubble look. I think we should do it. Well, obviously not with mine, but
I'll get some adapters.
get some adapters.
Rub like hell. Just take the whole fender off. Yeah. Just do the
You could do 37s.
Do the what's it called? The pre-runner fenders.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Full coilovers.
But if you did stocks and 37s and 2-inch wheel spacers, you could do it.
Yeah.
Just cut into the door.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. When did he get that?
He's had it. That was his mom's old
We just put
truck.
a transmission in it, new tranny cooler.
Wow.
Cut the exhaust off.
All right, what do y'all think? Should Alex do the bubble look? I think so.
Day, bro. I don't have money just for a day.
That's true. Alex wasn't sure if stock wheels would look good on his truck, but I think he can pull it off. I mean, although his Archons and the Versatires match the truck better, but just for like a daily look, I think he could do Bubba. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below if he should do Bubbas. But we are getting these mounted. I know it's been like a couple of weeks, but the tire machine's been acting up, so we weren't able to balance. So that is finally going to get fixed. We can finally mount them next week, and then we'll have the Bubba set up on my L5P.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ounces.
So this wheel had 12 ounces on stock tires.
13, 14.
14 ounces on stock tires.
Yeah.
All right, we're about to find out what this Armstrong takes. All right, let's see it. 8 ounces. And that's what we needed on the other tire too, so it's pretty consistent. All right, another one. Let's see what it calls for. 6 ounces, even better. This last one has 11.5 ounces from the previous setup, which I'm gonna try to find out which tires he had that required all this weight. Correction, it has more weight, so it had 12.5 ounces previously. Dang.
This is the harness I had to replace. Here you go. That's the temp sensor.
Why did you replace that?
The temp sensor went bad.
It got wet.
It was saying that my transmission fluid was like 50 degrees.
So they all require 8, except one requires 6. So overall, pretty good tires, huh? For 38s on 20s, that's a lot of tire, and it's only requiring 8 ounces. So I'm pretty impressed. Once we put them on, we'll find out how well these ride on the truck.
comment, and subscribe.